Hello YouTube, and welcome to another installment of Rob C41's Car Wash Accessories. I recently went to Harbor Freight and purchased this telescoping flow-through brush, hoping that it would allow me to quickly and easily wash large vehicles such as this truck and the RV. Alright, this is the truck that we're going to do our initial wash. This truck just came back from a long road trip to Colorado and is extremely dirty. We're going to break out the telescoping brush. I'm going to tighten up the head to the pole. I'm going to demonstrate the telescoping features. It's advertised to reach about 76 inches. There's also a on and off button at the end of the pole, and I test this, and once you shut it off, the water is completely stopped.
So it goes in here, the on, off. So we're gonna spray down the.
Of course, the first step is to give the truck a nice rinse, just to knock off the loose dirt. Alright, after the rinse, I use what you should recognize as the foaming spray gun that I purchased at Harbor Freight as well. I'm thinking that video was about 5 months ago. It ended up being 2 years ago I did that foaming spray gun video. Time does fly. Now it's time to break out the foaming brush. I dip it in a soap solution just so it'll prevent scratching the paint finish. Of course, this is my first time using this, so I had to go through some adjustments of the water pressure, and you see me going through this right now.
There is not a drip. I'm gonna turn down the pressure a little bit. See what we got here.
Once I got the water pressure set to where I liked it, I was surprised while I was washing the truck. It did a pretty good job of taking off the soap as well. So I would suggest that you keep on dipping it into a soapy solution and scrubbing the truck. I also was thinking what a nice thing to have is some kind of attachment where you could add soap while you're using this telescoping brush. So my overall take on this telescoping brush was fairly good. Like I said in the beginning, if you had a large vehicle like this truck or an RV, it'd be perfect to extend your reach and wash your vehicle at the same time. A few of the brush did come off while I was doing this initial wash, but it was nothing to be alarmed about. As an added measure, I decided to go ahead and give the truck a final rinse just to make sure I got all the soap off. So as we're nearing the end of this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel. If you have any comments on this tool, please add them in the comments. Until the next video, take care.